What is up, you guys? If you're new here, my name is Janabelle, or Janibel if you're Dominican, and today's video I'm testing out the new Suave Professionals line, specifically for natural gals such as myself and others. It's their new natural shea butter and pure coconut oil line, and if you want to see what products I used, then keep watching. Alright, so I took too long to style my hair. Like, I went to Popeyes, came back, like my hair dries super fast, so I got my little spray bottle and a wide tooth comb to help me just resaturate my hair with water. I also realized that one of the Suave products is a detangler spray, so I'm gonna apply that too to help. My hair dries super fast, so I don't really have a lot of time to style. My hair styles better when it's damp, like freshly towel dried, so I'm gonna try and recreate that with this spray. I got this bottle off Amazon just because I wanted the continuous spray to waste less time. I'm gonna start with the cream detangler spray from the line. Hopefully this helps a little. Have you guys ever tried any Suave products before? They have like this argan oil one that I used to use back in the day. I don't know what it's called. I just know that it had like argan oil in it. And I've also used their tea tree one before. That felt really nice on the scalp. Other than that, I didn't know they had like a whole collection for textured hair. So this is nice. Also, I don't usually comb through my products when I'm styling, but we're gonna try that out today just because my hair wasn't freshly towel dried, and I'd rather make sure that each strand is coated with the product just to, you know, see its full potential. I'm also applying in smaller sections just to make sure I'm distributing enough product. Next, I'm gonna be using the curl defining cream. I like layering my products just because I want definition, but I also want to make sure that my hair lasts longer than a day. So yeah, and I figured I haven't tried, since all of these products are new to me, I'm like, why not see how they work together. As you've probably noticed, this background isn't the same as my other videos. I'm still in the same like filming space. This is just like my home office. I decided to film in front of the window today just because, I don't know, I never tried filming in this, you know, setup before. And I kind of got tired of using the other backdrop. And since the lighting is really nice in front of the window, I wanted to see what it would look like. Plus, I didn't feel like whipping out my lights today, so there's that. This is probably the only way that I can use the natural sunlight if I'm like facing the window. Otherwise, like the lighting and the rest of the room is just not right. Then next we have the Define and Shine Serum Gel. Honestly, this is a product that probably confuses me the most. Like, what do you mean? Are you a serum, like an oil, or are you a gel? Like, how could you be both? Apparently it's an all-in-one product that locks in the moisture like an oil would, but also holds like your curl pattern the way that a gel would. So hopefully this works. I like using gels in my routine because I feel like it helps keep my wash and go going for longer. Like, wash and goes are already hard to maintain longer than 3-4 days in my experience as a lazy natural hair person. But with a gel, like, you can make sure that it lasts a little longer. So, oh yeah, this consistency is definitely like a light gel. I don't know why they call it a serum, but we'll see how it works. All right, on to the next section. My hair probably looks dry as hell. That's because it is. I kind of wish my hair didn't dry so fast, but in the summertime, it comes in clutch. Doing my hair in smaller sections is definitely a lot more work. but sacrifices must be made for a good hair day. I usually, if you've watched my other hair routine videos, I usually separate my hair into like 3 sections and then, you know, wham bam thinky bam, like it's over. But today I was just like, you know what, like smaller sections it is. Let's just comb through. Just gonna apply the products in the same order that I did it the first time, so I'll just speed over this. All right, so I have finished distributing all of the products into my hair. If you see a little weird shape at the top of my head, I learned from one of my good friends, friend Chelly. She's Chelly's Curls here on YouTube and Instagram. She got me on the whole using clips. Basically, it helps when you're like diffusing or you're air drying to have volume at your roots. And that's very important for me since I have a round shape. And the longer my hair gets, you know, the heavier it is, and then it's harder to keep, you know, up and round because it's still not long enough to part. So yeah, I tried it out a couple times and I like it. I like what it does. So before I diffuse, because we're diffusing today, I'm not just gonna take my blow dryer and just, you know, do what I usually do. I wanted to talk to you guys a little more about the brand and, you know, what I used in the shower and stuff. Right off the bat, I was pretty hesitant with this line just because it had coconut oil in it, and there's a lot of like stuff on the internet about coconut oil and how it doesn't really help your hair and blah blah blah. But my personal philosophy, I feel like if you find a product that works, then, you know, it works. So I gave this line a shot, and yeah, we're gonna see what the results are in a bit. I'm on the Suave website, and it says that they basically collaborated with 5,000 other women with different textures, with different curls, to come up with this collection. All of the products are basically meant to soften and hydrate the curls. I guess that's basically what all curly hair products are meant to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I used the moisturizing curl conditioner from the same line in the shower. I didn't use the shampoo just because I don't really feel compelled to shampoo that often, so today wasn't that day. But I did like how much slip it had in the shower. It definitely helped with detangling. I definitely felt a difference in my hair after I washed out the conditioner. I left it in for about 10 minutes, although the directions say to leave it on for 3 and then you can rinse. Honestly, since I have such a tight texture and I obviously have bleached hair, I'd rather leave it in for a few more minutes to let it work through my hair with the steam in the shower, because, you know, most of us shower with like ridiculously hot water, but that steam definitely helps work the product into the scalp and, you know, give yourself a little massage in there. But yeah, I think the conditioner did its job. Now I'm gonna diffuse so we can see our final results with the Suave line. In case you're curious, I use this Amica blow dryer. I got this diffuser head on Amazon. I can link that for you guys down below too. And it adjusts, press the sides, and it fits like a lot of different nozzle sizes of your blow dryer. So that's cool. I'm gonna use it on high heat and we'll start with warm until I get impatient. All right. Wow, this is nice. How are we feeling, you guys? Look at this definition. I still got some volume. I actually didn't know what to expect with this line. Like I told you guys earlier, the serum gel really threw me off, but I feel the light hold that it provides, and it's really nice. Like my hair is not crunchy. My hair isn't, you know, stuck in place. It's very bouncy. The definition is there, but it also lets the hair like expand and, you know, have volume, because you guys know how I feel about volume. I need it. I love it. I prefer it over everything. So yeah, I think that's the product that surprised me the most. I definitely want to try the defining cream on its own. I think this could be a really good, you know, one product wash and go, because who doesn't want a one product wash and go? Like that makes life so much easier. But I love how these products worked together. If you could only get a few of these products, I'd say you can totally skip on the detangler spray. It's not really necessary. It came in handy for me just because my hair was not, you know, towel dry. It was like dry. I needed that spray to help me distribute the other two products that I was using to style my hair. If you have to pick one product to get from this line, I mean, it's pretty affordable across the board, but you know, not everybody has the coin to be spending on full lines. So I suggest that you guys get the curl defining cream, because this cream really shows promise and that it can work on its own. My hair feels really just fresh and bouncy, and I'm really digging these results. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely loving these results and see myself using these products more often. I hope you guys got something useful out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.